Hello YouTube, and today I will be showing you my lag switch for PS3 and I believe Xbox. What you're gonna need is you're gonna need an Ethernet cable, whatever it's called. Yeah, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut in the middle of it, and you're gonna want to find an orange and white wire mixed together. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the orange wire away from the white wire. And then you're going to get either a lighter or something. And you're going to burn the end off of it. Like once you cut through the middle of the orange wire. So it's in two pieces now. Right? Then you light it on the fire. So then it gets the orange part off and it gets to the wire. And then you get a light switch, which you can buy at Home Depot for $1, what I did, and you pretty much tighten it. You get the end of the wire where you burnt it, and now you just have the wire. You put it under the nail and screw drive it in, make sure it's tight. Same with that, and then whenever you see a guy, you just turn it on, and then like after you kill him, turn it off. I will make a video soon of me doing it, cause right now my PS3 got the yellow light of death, and yeah. But if you want to see me use it and see me with more hacks and Call of Duty mods, just subscribe, okay? Thanks, and make sure you like the video.